but I see it shine. Keep holding on, cause we're too far from done. And I know you could be the one, cause we all live for the love. We all live for the love. Even though we've only begun, we give it all for the love. I'm out on the line, praying that our stars align. Until I'm yours and you are mine, I put my heart on the line. I'm out on the line, and I know that I'll be fine. Until I'm yours and you are mine, I put my heart on the line. Sometimes we lose our way, and we can't define the things that make us stay lost in time. I wake up every day to see a smile, and I put it all for you on the line. So I thought you could be the one, cause we all live for the love. We all live for the love. Even though we've only begun, we give it all for the love. I'm out on the line, praying that our stars align. Until I'm yours and you are mine, I put my
Hey guys, before we continue, let me show you this awesome game from today's sponsor, Raid Shadow Legends. Raid brings console level experience to your phone with over 600 champions, epic raid bosses, dungeon runs, campaign battles, PvP arena matches and more. I've been playing Raid for a while now and these are some of the champions I've been using. I'm drawing one of my favorite characters right now, Verlin Frost King. He's a legendary champion with a bunch of nice skills. His first skill, for example, is a very strong combo of defensive buffs that can drastically decrease the damage your team takes. The graphic of this game is next level. I would highly recommend to try it out yourself. And that's not all. There's a ton happening in Raid this month. They've got special events every single day, including an entirely new event for the summer solstice. It's called the Path of Light. On top of that, there are awesome new champions coming out, like the special Deliana Chase event, where you can get your hands on the amazing Deliana, a brand new legendary champion from the High Elves faction, just by logging in. All you have to do is log in and play Raid for 7 days between now and July the 20th, and you'll get Deliana for free. That's it. Deliana is one of the strongest support champions in the entire game, and can help carry your team get past many of Raid's tougher challenges. And we have an awesome new set of skins for the amazing Tronder Guild Mullet. They look amazing and I can't wait to get my hands on them. This is the best time to get started on Raid, and if you click my link in the description or scan my QR code here on the screen, you'll get unique bonuses worth $30. We talk on a free epic champion Verges, 200k silver, 1 energy refill and 1 XP boost, and 1 ancient shard, so you can summon awesome champions as soon as you get in the game. All these treasures will be waiting for you, and it's very easy, just click the link in the description and I'll see you in the game. The gifts keep coming, all new players listen, and once you're in the game, just enter promo code MyDeliana to get your hands on everything. Simple, get 50 XP boost to instantly get your legendary hero Deliana to max level 50, as well as a ton of silver. I hope you like the final drawing. Verlim has nice buffs and debuffs. He's a great asset in working through the Doom Tower and the Knights Revenant faction crypt. Please let me know in the comments what you think.
last night in my dreams, walking the streets of some old ghost town. I tried to believe in God and James Dean, but Hollywood sold out. So all of the saints
Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the